In a country where the farmer is the backbone of the nation, is it not tragic that their children are denied education? Are we truly progressing if the sons and daughters of our Annadata are held back because of their background? A poor farmer with hope in his heart seeks admission for his child in a reputed school, only to be told, we admit only children whose parents are educated. So now, a child's future depends not on dreams or rights, but on a parent's degree. This is not just breaking a law, it is breaking a promise that every child, rich or poor, deserves quality education. It is in the pursuit of resolving this very dilemma that we now turn to our courtroom.
Scene 1. Courtroom begins.
The Honorable Judge of the District Constitutional Court is now predicting. We are here the case of Raj versus Modern Academy.
Order, Your Honor. This court is now in session. Petitioner's lawyer, you may proceed. Your Honor, at 9, Raj is a hard-working, intelligent student who scored 80% in his first standard exam. But he was denied admission in Modern Academy without any reason. Later we discovered students with lower scores and privileged background were admitted. We argue that this violates Article 40, Equality for Law, and Article 15, No Discrimination Based on Caste, Religion, Gender, or Place of Birth. Do you have any witness? Yes, Your Honor. First we call Raj's friend, a fellow student. Raj's friend walked to the stand. Raj tried for admission. Yes, sir. We both applied, but I got in with 68%, but Raj despite having 80% was told, you won't be fit here. This school is not for you people. Thank you. Next up, we call a teacher from Modern Academy. Teacher enters. Did you witness any discrimination against Raj? Yes, I protest the decision. Raj deserved that seat, but the principal said admitting him would bring down the school standard. It was clear caste and class bias. Thank you. Now I request court to allow Raj's father to speak.
साहब, मुझे इनकी से मुझे नहीं आती। मैं अनपढ़ हूँ, कभी स्कूल नहीं गया। मेरे हाथ केवल मिट्टी को पहचान सकते हैं। पर जब मेरा बेटा हुआ, तो मैंने खुद से एक वादा किया कि मेरे जैसा ये ना बने, पढ़ लिख कर आप लोगों जैसा बड़ा साहब बनेगा। लेकिन स्कूल ने जब स्कूल ने देखा कि मैं फार्मर हूँ, तो उन्होंने दाखिला के लिए मना कर दिया। क्या यही देश का न्याय है?
Your Honor, I studied under the street light. My father works in a field. I thought that my marks would open the door, but they rejected me.
Respondent's lawyer, your defense. Your Honor, this has been blown out of proportion. Modern Academy is a prestigious institution. We have right to select students on the basis of personality, language skill, and extracurricular fit, not just by marks. Was this written in your admission policy? No, it is an internal policy, Your Honor.
Call the principal for the internal policies. Principal, do you have anything to say?
Yes, Your Honor. Raj may have marked, but he lacks confidence. Did not speak English fluently during the interaction. His parents are uneducated and family is tough to adjust in the competitive environment like ours. We aim to maintain discipline, fluency standards in an institution that's not discrimination, it's quality control.
Objection, my lord. Principal Raj, not by talent, but on poverty.
It's easy to say, give them a seat. What if they fall behind, feel isolated and drop out of the scene?
Admission is not about just policies. It is about students are having better education, better support or not. This decision was based on personality, standard and extra things.
But it is not written in the Constitution.
Policies do not cover every practical scenario.
Principal, did you ever consider offering him support to address instead of rejecting him outright?
No, Your Honor.
Respondent's lawyer, call your witness.
Calling newly admitted student Shri.
Student walks in confidently.
Shri, what were your scores?
50%. 55%. But my father is a businessman and I can speak fluent English, so I got in.
Do you believe that someone with hard scores and dedication should be left out?
Maybe not. But our school is elite. Some of the people just don't fit.
Judge looks disappointed. Rani? Raj stands silently, eyes lowered.
I have heard enough. The right to equality is not a decoration in our constitution. It is a living promise. Article 15 clearly forbids discrimination based on caste, class or background. Denying Raj admission violates both the law and the soul of the constitution. This code orders the Model Academy to admit Raj immediately and ensure no future discrimination. A public apology must be issued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Let it be known, equality is not a gift. It is a right. No Indian is less Indian than another. The code is enjoined.
Today, Raj won his case, but many others still suffer silently. Let us raise our voices, act with fairness, and uphold the true spirit of our constitution.
Let's take a pledge. We the people of India.
We the people of India
Stand for equality.
stand for equality